Hello friends, today in this video right now I'm going to show you how to record slow motion video on Oppo phone. So friends, before we start this video, do not forget to like the video and subscribe the channel. Okay, so let's start the video. Here firstly you have to open the camera. After you have been opened the camera, you have to slide onto more option. Here is the more option. Okay, then you can see this is the slow mo option. Just click on the slow mo. When you move on slow mo, just click on the video and let's record the video. You can see I have finished to record the video, and let's watch the video how its slow motion video does work or not. Okay, so you can see friends, I was moving so fast but it moves so slow, right? So friends, you can record the slow motion video on Oppo phone camera easily. Okay, and friends, hope you love the video, and if you love the video, please like the video, share the video and subscribe the channel. Friends, thanks for watching. Bye.